To maintain the manufacturer's warranty for the SynSisal product range, it is essential to adhere to specific guidelines. First, let's talk about adhesive usage. You should only use the recommended adhesive SynSisal S340 for installation. When applying this adhesive, make sure to use a V2 trowel with V-notches that are 2.4 mm deep. When working with SynSisal S340 adhesive, proper tack-up is crucial. The adhesive should be tacky, and when pulling away, you should see strings or cobwebs. Allow the adhesive to tack up correctly to prevent shrinkage and glue seepage issues. It is important to adhere to the recommended open time to ensure adequate bonding. Typically, the adhesive manufacturer's recommendations are to keep within 20 to 30 minutes, depending on site conditions. When undertaking a dual bond installation, the specified underlay for SynSisal is Airstep carpet underlay, which includes BOUNCE 470 at 4.7 mm and BOUNCE 650 at 6.5 mm for domestic use only. The carpet must be 100% adhered to the underlay, and the underlay must be 100% adhered to the subfloor, using the SynSisal S340 adhesive. Note that the tack-up time may be longer over the underlay because it can be less absorbent. When it comes to cutting seams, always use sharp blades for precise cutting. It is absolutely critical that every cut edge be sealed before joining to prevent potential fraying. All edges must be tipped with either a latex, PVA or appropriate seam sealer. Once tipped and dry, you can then do your heat bond join as normal. In a direct stick method, lay your first side down after tipping and run a bead of seam sealer on the exposed edge. Then lay your other side into the first edge, making good contact with the seam sealer, but not pushing too much to the surface. On every cut edge, including seams, door jambs and perimeters, always use a premium quality seam sealer such as Nexus 470. Failure to properly seal all edges may result in edge fraying, delamination, pile loss, seam separation, and trip hazards. Unprotected cross joins with SynSisal are considered unacceptable and will not be warranted. If a successful cut is made, there is an extremely high probability that it will fray, often beyond repair. Cross-join failures will be viewed as an installation error and are not warranted. Plan as best as possible to avoid cross-joins, and if necessary due to the shape or size of the project, trim or door bar options are available. By following these guidelines, you will ensure the longevity and warranty compliance of your SynSisal carpet.